In this video, I'm going to show you how to search your old chats on ChatGPT. So real easy, let's go to our ChatGPT app. And what you want to do is go ahead, like once you're here on the homepage here, you want to hit those two lines at the top left-hand corner. And when you have your recents here, you can go to the magnifying glass at the top right corner of this window here and just go ahead and type something in, and it's going to filter through ChatGPT through all of your conversations if you're clear and descriptive of what you want to try and find. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in MLB. And what this is going to do is it's going to list everything here, so we can even keep on typing, and it's going to specify and look through all of your chats and see if it's chats or images or documents or really anything here that you can go through and find that topic. So let's go ahead and click on this topic. And from here, what you can do is just continue the conversation, because now you were able to filter through a chat, find what you were looking for, and then just keep on going through and go on with that conversation. So it's real easy to do. It's very simple. It only takes a couple steps here, but that's it. It's super simple and super easy to search within